My name's Jim. I've got a 55 Plymouth Belvedere convertible. It's a 4-owner car. It has 33,000 miles on it. It's got the 260 V8, PowerFlight 2-speed automatic transmission. And I bought it this way. I can't take credit for the shape it's in, so somebody else did the restoration on it, but a lot of it's original. Had some of the chrome re-chrome, but it's lived part of its life in New York, part of it in Florida, and now it's ended up in Western North Carolina.
Hello, I'm Zoltan Thornburg, owner of Thornburg Auction Company, inviting you to attend April the 11th of 2026 at Champion Pavilion, the Auto Fair. We're going to handle the auction for the Auto Fair. We'll be selling the cars, the collectibilities, the collectible items, the oil, the gas-related items, the sign, the miscellaneous of things. We'll have a row of them, but we'll be selling the cars first, and we're looking forward to seeing everyone there. We're excited to do the event. They can register at thornburgauction.com, thornburgauction.com. Go to our website. We appreciate everybody looking to us.
Hi, I'm Ron Poole. What I do now is collect Jeep CJ parts to help these other restoration guys out with these hard to find parts. And I have multiple steering columns, steering wheels, miscellaneous hard to find parts. If you need anything like that, you can contact me. Most of my stuff I advertise on Marketplace. I'm located in Sherrill, South Carolina, pretty close to the interstate. People going north and south on the interstate. You see a lot of my merchandise is like horn buttons that I have, and like CJ tire carrier parts. It's very, very hard to find. And steering wheels, complete steering wheels that's no longer produced that you can buy. And most of my stuff is original stuff. Very few parts are aftermarket. I try to deal in original stuff, like this Jeep CJ dash pad, which is called a slate blue, very rare color. And I also have the rear seat over there that matches this. And actually this dash pad here come out of a 1979 Jeep CJ5 silver anniversary. Only less than 1,000 of these were made. Wow. So this come out of a silver anniversary Jeep. I got an eye for the older model Jeeps, mainly 76 through 86 CJ7s, some YJs and some TJ models.
Yes, my name is Kevin. I'm from Auto City Classics. We sell radiators, disc brake conversions, and also windshields for all classic cars. We've been doing this for 30 years.
This is a 54, ain't a whole lot of them. This was about when Hudson was having its last gasp. It was trying to go out of business and didn't know how. Little car comes with credentials. You don't see them everywhere. They're pretty rare. And that was a while back. It bears close inspection. Oh, yeah. Body's pretty well rust-free, chip-free. Runs and drives fine. Engine's a 6-cylinder flathead. I'll get your hood up here.
Hi folks, Dino McGraw with Automobilia Classic Cars here in Concord, North Carolina. We wanted to show you this special, unique truck that we have brought to the auto fair today. It is a one of one. It's the only one that's ever been made. The truck was a 2018 Ford sent to Texas Motor Works. They done the Baja kit, sent it to Level Cross, North Carolina to Richard Petty, and they had a contract to build several hundred of these trucks. The truck was featured at SEMA in 2019 and a lot of interest in it, and then COVID hit and the whole plan was scrapped. So the 800 horsepower Richard Petty supercharged truck is a one of a kind, the only one ever made, and has been documented through Richard Petty. And we're just proud to have it. We wanted to bring it out and share it with everybody today. And come on by Gibson Mill and check out the rest of our cars and enjoy your show today. Thank you.
My name's Stephen Gilmore. I'm Ken Gilmore's father and his mother. Her name is Cheryl, and we're here selling knives. I've loved knives all my life and been collecting them all my life, and so these are a few that I've been selling along the way. Knives are like tools. You always need them, and I don't think you never have too many.
Ken, play.
Can ride on this go-kart.